Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did my jumbo passion twist type situation. If you want to see that, then just keep watching. Okay, so first I started off by just moisturizing my hair, making sure it was good and moisturized before I got to blow drying. And I got this blow dryer from Amazon. It is not the Dyson Air, no ma'am. It is an Amazon dupe for like $25. But it works just the same. I use the tension method. And I couldn't find my blow dryer nozzle, so yeah. It worked just the same though. So that's what I did. And then after I went to blow drying, had to do a side-by-side comparison for a little bit. And then after I finished, my hair was all blow dried. I then got to sectioning off my hair. I used the jam, shine and twist jam and rubber bands. So first I tried to section off this section by myself. As you can see, it was a little crooked, but it was pretty good. And then after that, I did that one little section, and then I went to my sister and I had her part my hair. But after that, you guys will see me struggle a little bit with this parting, and then I just go and I go get my sister and I have her part my hair. After that, I began to part my hair down and do large squares. And then after that nonsense, yeah, as you can see how I look like I'm struggling because I was. I totally forgot how I was supposed to use this loop thing, but then I remembered you put the loop in first and then you put the hair on the needle, and then, as you can see, look, it took me forever to realize I was doing it wrong, but once I realized, yeah, I was straight after that, but it took me a good 15 minutes to figure it out. After that, I just continued. First, I put the curly hair in, like a big piece of curly hair, and then I put like a small piece of the braiding hair through. As you can see, it did take me a while because this was my first one. But after I got the first one, it was straight. And then after I got it in, I just twisted it down. And that was all good. You're gonna see me twist it down in a second. But yeah. Once I finished that twist, as you can see, I'm holding a piece of the curly hair out so it can just be shown, and that's what gives it that boho look. After that one little twist, I had to give me some water because I was tired. But after my little water break, I finished up my rest of my head. I had 2 little sections left, and I just gave you guys a closer view of what I was doing, so I'll let you guys watch that a little slow down this time. As y'all can see, I was real tired, but I did my edges a little bit, just a little bit. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like the look. please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.